Next, we'll sew up all sides with the same methods. Thread the needle with one of the yarn tails first. Make sure to align the corners of the square fabrics. Also, stitch them together through the back loops. Please sew up the rest of them in the same way. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Align the two fabrics to each other. Stitch them together through the back loops. Sew the edges by stitching them together through the back loops. Please finish the remaining two pieces on your own. This is what it looks like when it's done. Take out the last piece and put it in this position. We'll use the same method to stitch the four edges of this square fabric one by one, connecting them with the four fabric edges that have already been sewn together. Align the four edges of each fabric, and then stitch them together through the back loops. When sewing to the last edge, leave an opening for stuffing the fabric wheel. Thread the needle with one yarn tail. Align the edges and stitch them together through the back loops. Please finish the first 3 edges by yourself. Leave the last edge open for stuffing the fabric. 3 edges are sewn up. Let's stuff the cube with fabric. Take out some fabric. Tear the fabric to make it fluffy. Stuff the fabric with fabric little by little. We don't need to add too much fabric. Please finish the step by yourself. Then let's continue to sew up the last edge. Thread the needle with 1 yarn tail and stitch the last 2 edges together through the back loops. You may need to tuck the fabric with your fingers during sewing. Once the edges have been sewn, work a few more stitches around the corners to tighten them up. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. The other corners can be done in this way. Conceal all the yarn tails inside the fabric. Cut off the excess ends. Please finish the step by yourself. This is what it looks like when it's done. The cube is completed.